How to check storage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, go to iPhone Storage as shown. This section displays how much storage is used and available, along with a list of apps and their storage usage. You can also find recommendations for freeing up space, such as offloading unused apps or managing photos and videos. On this page, scroll down and tap on Size. You can now choose to sort these apps according to their size, name, or last used date. Following these steps, you can easily check storage on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.